Hey, this is Stuttering Matt. Today I'm going to talk about bicep surgery. I'm going to go over all the info, pre-surgery, before and after. I've been going to the gym for 15 years. I can't get my biceps to grow. So I found out about this surgery 5 months ago. Silicone solid bicep implants. It's different from the breast implant because it doesn't have a bag inside. So the doctor has 3 kinds: medium size, large size, or a custom size. I told him I want the custom size, but that's $1,000 more each home. The medium size, you only gain like half an inch. The guy before me got the medium size. I said, what? This is stupid. I said, it's stupid as ever. He paid $7,000 for half an inch to his bicep. I said, forget that. I want the custom up to 2 inches. So that's why I told him I want. So I'm going to show you the pre-surgery info now. Okay. So for pre-surgery, he gave me a bunch of prescription pills I have to take. He also gave me a prescription for Valium and Percocet pills. I only got the Percocet pills. I didn't get the Valium pills because I'm not really into taking drugs and stuff. So for pre-surgery, they said 2 weeks before you need to take at least 1,000 milligrams of iodine a day, which I'm taking that in my supplements. High protein, fiber pills. I mostly did all of that. Then it says stuff you cannot take before surgery: green tea, energy drinks, caffeine pills, aspirin, alcohol, smoking. And before surgery, they want you to take a shower in the stuff right here. 5 days before surgery, every day you have to use this stuff to take a shower with. I bought it. It's like alcohol, kind of. I also forgot to mention, for pre-surgery, you have to go to your family doctor and give you a paper with pre-surgery stuff you need to get done. I had to take a drug test for some reason, a pee test. I had to get blood work. I had to get a chest x-ray. One day after my surgery, I was supposed to get my surgery done in the hospital and supposed to get an IV in me plus gas. I drove to the hospital. They ended up canceling the appointment, so the doctor said he'll do it in his office the next day, which is not sanitary. So the next day I got to his office. He didn't have no gas or IV, but he charged me for the hospital, which he actually got some money back. But then he gave me some like cough medicine, tastes like Benadryl. If anybody can tell me what this is, it would be great, because I'll actually like to buy it. All I remember is I was in the waiting room. I drank a tiny little bit. I woke up, I was on an operating table. No idea how I got from the waiting room to the operating table, so I must have passed that. Then I felt pain because he was working on my arm then. He gave me some more of it. Surgery was over. They put me in a wheelchair, took me outside. I was back to get in the vehicle. I blacked out again. I woke up, I was in my bed. no idea what happened. The driver told me I got in the back seat. They stopped at McDonald's. I got a drink and took me home. I can't remember a damn thing. I don't know what the hell that stuff was, but I want to get it. If anybody knows what it is. It tastes like Benadryl, it's like cough medicine. So today is my 5th day after bicep surgery. I got the implants in. I would say from 1 to 5, how much pain am I having? I'll give it a 1 because I'm not having any pain, but it's sitting around the house. But after I went to my job on the 5th day and lifting maybe 20 pounds, I'll give the pain probably a 4 maybe, because my biceps kill. So I'm going to show you my arms now. The doctor drew a bunch of dots on them. I might gain maybe an inch on this one. You can see where the implant is. It's really fat right here. My arm is definitely bigger now. It doesn't look really skinny before now. Like, it looks not as skinny. So my other arm is a little bit bigger. I still have stitches in my arm, so I can't flex it as good. So I got stitches right here where the band-aid is. I got stitches under my armpit, which I can't put my arms above my head, and that kills. And the stitches here under my armpit. So I went to the doctor today and complained because my left arm is fine. I can move and bend it fine, but my right arm, I'm having pain. My bicep is numb from right here up to the top. This side has no pain. So I went and told him about it. He told me there's nothing to worry about. I think there actually is. He said he since the right arm is bigger than the left arm, he put stitches inside my arm to hold the bicep in place. He said that's going to take up to 8 weeks to not feel numb anymore. So I'll see what happens. I don't like the way my bicep feels right now. It feels numb. So I'll do another video when get my stitches out and I can flex my arms good. Another thing I want to talk about is my ex-girlfriend. I loaned you $6,000 so you can upgrade your education. I did that to help you out. We were engaged, you didn't marry. Just because you left me for another guy, you should be making at least $70,000 a year right now. Making double what I'm making in 1 year. Just because you left me for another guy and you want to go to the club life and didn't want to get married, that's fine. If you can't pay me back the money in full, you pay me $3,000 to $4,000 and pay the other money in YouTube videos and on Amazon. I'll explain that if you ever contact me. Paying me back the money will literally pay for half of my surgery. I'm not going to say the cost of it because there's so much money just to get my arms an inch to 2 inches bigger. While we're dating, you always used to say I have little arms. Now I did something about it. I no longer have little arms. I have like average size arms now. So today is day 9 after my bicep surgery. I just got my stitches taken out of right here. I can't get my armpit stitches taken out until 15 days after surgery. Them stitches are the painful ones. So from 1 to 5, I'm gonna say how much do I like my biceps. I'm gonna give it a 2.5 or a 3. Only because when I went to see him, there's the medium-sized biceps, there's the large size, then there's the custom biceps. The customs is $1,000 more each arm. And I told him I want at least 2 inches, and I want a hump in the middle of my bicep. He didn't give me no hump on my left bicep. I didn't gain 2 inches. I might gain an inch and a half maybe. Then on my right bicep, he gave me a hump, but it's kind of messed up itch. I'll have to like show you, but see, it's like leaning over. It should really be up. I told him about it, but he won't do nothing about it. You can actually push it up. It's leaning over. And I probably gained 2 inches on my right arm. My left arm and right arm is not the same size. He definitely could have went better on my left arm too. So so if I had an extra 25 to 30,000, what other surgeries would I do? But I don't have that kind of money, so I would maybe do a tricep implant, which that's about 7,000. Then I would do a pec implant for my chest. I'll probably get the large size. That's 10 to 12,000. Then my other surgery is not really a surgery. It would be a hair transplant. I heard if you get the whole head, it's 10,000. I only need like the half of my head done, so I'm gonna guess that's about 5,000 or 6,000. So if you have any questions or comments, put it in the comment section. I'll do an updated video in like a month. I have to get my stitches out and see if I still have pain in my bicep. And if everyone can please subscribe to my channel.